Hello, friends. Welcome to the episode of Quick Bites, a podcast that explores various culinary delights, history, techniques, and flavors. I'm Chef Walter, your host, and today we will be taking in an in-depth look at biscuits and gravy, a classic comfort food, a staple in Southern cuisine. Biscuits and gravy is a beloved dish in the Southern United States, yet soul-satisfying combination of soft, flaky biscuits with a rich, creamy sausage gravy. The dish has a rich history that can be traced back to the rural South, where biscuits were an affordable and filling staple. The creamy gravy was a clever way to stretch limited resources, and that is a testament to the resourcefulness of Southern cooks that this dish has become such a beloved classic. In preparing it, there are several techniques that one must follow to achieve the perfect results. Firstly, to make the flaky biscuits, it is essential to use cold butter and avoid overworking the dough. You may cut the butter and bake it until the biscuits turn golden brown. The critical component of biscuits and gravy is in the sausage gravy, and you can prepare it by sautéing crumbled sausage in a pan and breaking it into small pieces. And once the sausage is evenly browned, you may add some all-purpose flour to create a roux, the classic thickener. Then, gradually incorporate the milk until the gravy reaches a thick and a creamy consistency. Lastly, adjust the seasoning with a little bit of salt, pepper, and perhaps a hint of cayenne for a little kick if you choose so. Together, these elements create a mouth-watering dish that is both savory and comforting. Biscuits and gravy, a dish that has become a staple of American cuisine, is widely enjoyed across the United States. And although its origin lies in the country's southern region, its popularity has spread far behind, with variation and regional twists appearing in different areas. It is worth noting that the gravy used in the dish can be made with different meats, such as bacon, ground beef, turkey, lamb, chicken, whatever you choose. It all depends on the region. Additionally, some people prefer to add a dash of hot sauce, especially in areas such as Texas, in Arizona, and Utah. In the South, biscuits and gravy are often served for breakfast, but they are equally delicious at any time of the day. This dish is the ultimate comfort food, enjoyed by people of all ages. In conclusion, dear listeners, we have delved into the humble southern roots of biscuits and gravy, examined and briefed the techniques which are required to create this wonderful dish, and savor its delightful flavors. And if you have yet to try biscuits and gravy, I highly recommend you to head into your kitchen and try it. And trust me, your taste bud will thank you. Always keep in mind that the dish may have a little bit of extra fat, and perhaps we should consume it in moderation and not every day. I want to thank you for listening to this episode of Quick Bites, where we strive to bring you content that is informative and engaging. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave us a review and hit the subscribe button. We really value your feedback, which helps us to improve the content and bring you the information you seek. Always keep your hunger for knowledge alive and savor every delicious bite of life. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I look forward to bringing you more satisfying content in the future. Stay hungry and stay healthy. Ciao, ciao.